Hello guys, welcome to the video. And today I'm just gonna my morning routine. I think I'll show you when I'm cooking breakfast. And then I'm also planning to go to the farm very early in the morning so that not that much people will go there, and I can avoid people, with the social distance thing. So yeah, I'll try my best to dodge people. I might as well turn back if I see one. So yeah. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and see you then. Okay guys, beef cube for the noodles. Put it into the soup now. Oh. Oh no, he's waiting for his food as well. You're waiting for your food? What are you doing? Okay guys, breakfast done. Suri-suri sa gawas. Let's roam around and use up that free exercise a day. So we'll go out there. So guys, early in the morning, 6:20. During that time around, I could have gone earlier but I failed. So I was planning to wake up like 5:40, but yeah, we'll just do what we need to do now. Yeah, there's not that much people around, as you can see there. Mating guys, sige sipon ko. Terus kabugnaw. Mama na aso mo sa baba pero sa akin mo aso baba yun. Korot ko ito pagkabot doon dirigod. Na surprise ako nung ano, first time ako nakita na umusok yung ano ko, yung mouth. Di ba ganun yun sa mga pelikula, di ba? So, very cool to experience it first hand. So yeah, we're nearly there, guys. Ewan ko lang kung makakapasok tayo sa farm, but usually we could trespass it just to pass by going toward. Okay guys, we're in our first obstacle, which is the gate. I'll try not to touch it, I'll probably just kick it. So there we go. There, we're in. Less hand contact. Well, okay, there's the bridge here. Automated na ring station ng mga baka, as far as I know. I've done a bit of research on that for some reason. Even though I don't have anything to do with farming, but you know, good to know. Ito, close up sa bundok dito. Ito yung bahay ng farmer. Malaki yung bahay nila, oh. Yung mga sasakyan nila. Ito yung ano siguro na ito, dito na nilalagay yung mga baka. Ito yung mga karnero, oh. Tinatawag nila ako. Dito may cafe dyan. As you can see, that's a cafe. It's like in the middle of the woods type of cafe. Okay guys, dito na. Medieval times. It's from medieval times, this ruin. So it's quite amazing to stand near one. May mga castle dito din pero malayo lang. So probably show one in the future. So here we go. may ano, nag-held din sila ng masses dito minsan. Hangin. Yeah, nag-held din sila dito ng masses minsan. Yung mga high school. Diyan sila diyan sa ground. Diyan nila ginagawa yung religious doing nila. So, yan o. Very old structure. Tapos din, may mga story din sila dito na may daw white lady, gano'n. Katulad sa atin. So it's not going away. Mga horror story, nakakatawa din. So, mga superstitions. O yung pugot na monk, di ba nasa atin din yan, di ba? British version lang. One day. Alright guys, time to go home. There's nothing else to show you because there's nothing interesting along the way going home. So I will end the video there. Please like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you in the next one. Bye.